HILDACRAFTY. Today I'm going to show you how to make a skeleton out of this Peepal leaf. I'm taking a container which is big enough for the leaf to fit in. So I'm using 3-4 leaves just in case something goes wrong. I have at least extra with me. So now we need to put in water. It should nicely dip in. And since they'll float, we'll put some pebbles so that we can press the leaves and they nicely dipped inside. So now I have to leave this like this for at least 2 to 3 weeks, and in between I just need to change the water. One leaf, and I've kept it on a plate and I've put little water, and I'm using a very soft toothbrush to gently remove the dark portion which is there. The wet skeleton leaf is very fragile at this point, so we need to be very careful and be very gentle with it, and we'll be needing room temperature water to do this process. I washed the leaf and I have taken fresh water on the plate so that I get a clear picture of where the dark portion is remaining. How the leaf is going to look once it's absolutely dry. I've made a few and I'll show how to color it. Taking pearl metallic bronze, and I'll use a brush and I'll dip it in color and I'll take out all the extra. And I'll gently color it. Use a very soft hand while coloring. Don't use too much of color. Take out all the extra color out. And use any white base so that you can clearly see the leaf. To look once it's colored. So now I'll use it on a tag. I've taken a paper and I'll use glue on this so that I can stick the leaf. So I'll use glue here. For the glue, I have taken 1 spoon of glue to 1 spoon of water. So I'll take the leaf. Now if you go to the market to buy these tags, it's very expensive. So we can make this at home. So I'll use another packaging. I'm using a packaging paper which has white at the back. So I'll stick this at the back so we can write a quote or anything at the back. Now I'll use a stencil and I'll use a dabber and I'll make some design. So I'm using white acrylic. You can use a sponge if you don't have a dabber. So I have this stencil which I would like to use. So I'll put it here. I'd like to use this design. So I'll just dab it. use it here as well. I don't mind if it comes on the leaf. So like this. Now I'll use little of bronze on the white that I've used. So that I can match it up. So now I'll use my ink pad, brown ink pad, and my sponge, and I'll just distress the corners. Something like this, and at the back also I'll distress a bit. And I'll take a little water in the white that I used, and I'll use a toothbrush. I'll mix this. I'll take out all the extra, and I'll just use it just to spray a bit on the leaf, on the paper. I'd like it like this. So this is how it's going to look. As a tag, you can write something at the back, or as a bookmark, or on a gift wrap you can use, and you can write your name or anything. So this is how you can use it. I hope you liked my video. Do tune in again. I'll come back with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you all.